Now look at the points, lines, and shapes. When GeoGebra is used, several math problems can be solved by drawing a graph. It is the same reason that Descartes made coordinates in a graph to express many math problems simply and solve them. GeoGebra is made to express various types of mathematics such as geometry and algebra, vectors, sequences, tables, and statistics. It is very simple to install and learn GeoGebra. Visit the GeoGebra's official website, www.geogebra.org, and you can get the software and manual for free. I am going to skip installation part of GeoGebra and simple manual that are readily available to you. Instead, let's learn about 10 important basic concepts through prepared examples and the usage of GeoGebra. I would like to help you grow your mathematical imaginations by yourself making 2 games through 10 steps in GeoGebra. I will have to explain the most basic configurations of the GeoGebra, though. GeoGebra supports a variety of languages including not only English but also Korean. Considering we are learning with foreign friends in this global society, it will be explained in English basic menu. Once GeoGebra is run, the screen would be consisted of 4 basic screen components. Of course, you configure the way you want it by adding or deleting each component of the screen depending on your convenience. The top of the screen has toolbar where you can select various features. GeoGebra offers a variety of features that are available and can be selected to use, so we are going to learn about the important usages as we are learning about examples. Input bar is at the bottom of the screen. You can enter direct formula very conveniently not only on the graphic menu of the toolbar but also using input bar. GeoGebra's representative screen consists of algebra view which expresses algebraic equations and graphic view which expresses graphs and formulas. If necessary, an additional screen like spreadsheet view can be used. However, math problems can be solved using graphic view that expresses formulas in graphs and algebra view that expresses equations basically. Let's start the first assignment to learn about a way to express points, lines, and shapes on GeoGebra. The first assignment is to display 3 points, A, B, C, on coordinates, and draw 2 lines A and B that connect the point A and B and the point A and C. After that, draw a triangle that connects the lines. This includes a process to draw a circle that includes the triangle, the 3 points, and displaying the angle in the triangle. It can be confirmed by the file lesson1.ggb which is a completed example. Now, let's open the new GeoGebra screen and display points as the first process. First, let's use the new point icon in the toolbar to display the points. Select the new point icon on the picture, and click each point on coordinates 0, 0, 10, 0, 0, 10, on the graphic view screen. Then, the 3 points, A, B, C will be generated. There is another way. The name and coordinates of the points may be entered directly in the input bar. For example, if you want to display a point A on coordinates 0, 0, enter A equals 0, 0, like the following figure, and hit enter. Then, the point A will be generated. The rest of the points can be entered in the same way. Since the points are displayed, let's connect each point. Select segment between 2 points from the icons that can draw lines on graphic view. Clicking the point A and B will generate a line that connects the 2 points. The line's name is determined to A automatically, but the name can be changed to a desired name on the properties of the made line. All objects, including lines, can be created through the input bar. The command to create a line between 2 points is segment. In order to draw a line connecting the points A and B, enter segment A, B. The line that connects the point A and C can be drawn in the same way. This time, let's create a triangle that connects the 3 points. Select the icon polygon, which can create a polygon in the toolbar, and click the points A, B, and C respectively. Then, a triangle will be completed. Not only the polygon, but also almost every feature of the toolbar can be entered through input bar. If you want, use a method to enter applicable commands. Let's mark an angle of a triangle. Select the 3 points using the most popular way to mark an angle and angle icon that expresses an angle, and the points B, A, C respectively. Then, it will display a right angle of 90, that is the corresponding vertex A of the triangle. As the last step, let's draw a circle with the point A as its center and crosses the points B and C. There are several menus to draw a circle around a point. Let's use a method, circle with center and radius, which creates a circle through entering the radius value with a point as the center. Select the applicable icon in the toolbar, and click the center point A. A window to enter the size of the radius will pop up, and then enter 5, which is the distance between A and B or C, to be able to complete the desired circle. The first GeoGebra assignment has been completed as following along each step so far. First, I suppose I should congratulate. This assignment only had 8 steps, but it would be great to have a feature to take a look at the creating process step by step, like replaying after playing a Go game. GeoGebra provides a feature to take a look at the creating process step by step through navigation bar for construction steps. Select View from the menu as described in the following picture, and click Show on the relative menu to use this feature. If play button is used, steps will move forward automatically over a certain period. And if you look at the bottom of graphic view, you will notice that the navigation bar in the following picture appears. It will be much easier to understand while taking a look at each step from the beginning.